Hi guys, it's me, Jenna, and I just wanted to share with you how we make our favorite vanilla recipe around here, okay? We've got our vanilla Shakeology, a packet, which is 1 serving. We've got 5 ice cubes, which I'm gonna throw right in the blender. I've got 1.5 cups of water. Half a banana, which counts as 1 fruit serving. Your Shake-O, and the lid. And here we go. You ready? Looking good and creamy. Voila! The magic is done. Ooh, that's a full cup of Shakeology. That's banana vanilla Shake-O. Have a great day. Bye.